Hello everybody. Today we are going to vlog something about history of the Philippines and why the country Philippines starts with PH and its people Filipinos starts with F. And we are going also to share everything about the Philippines. And Philippines is actually an archipelago or group of islands that is composed of about 7,500 or more islands, and it has more than 175 dialects and a lot of minorities in different islands. So first guys, we are going to know first the ancient names of the Philippines before the Spaniards came here. So this is it guys. Long ago, the Philippines was called by Chinese traders as Mayi, or land of gold, or maybe that is now called Minduro. So that's what the Chinese call the Philippines, or part of the Philippines, Minduro, as Mayi, or land of gold. While according to Ptolemy was an ancient Greek. Uh, I think he was a philosopher, a Greek philosopher, ancient Greek, and according to his map, it was written in his ancient map that he referred to the Philippines, or maybe the capital of the Philippines, as Manolas. So Manolas, it's something. It seems like something has to do with other historians' claims that that the capital of the Philippines, which is now called Manila, was named after a mangrove species, which is called nilad. So here it is stated here that Manila or Maynila originated from the phrase Maynilad, which means there is nilad. Nilad is the common name for the mangrove species Scyphipora hydrophyllacea. So back to our ancient names. So later, when Magellan arrived here in the Philippines, in around 1521, March 1521, he named this group of islands as Archipelago of Saint Lazarus. And later, Roy Lopez de Villalobos, around 1542 or 43, he also came here, Spanish navigator, and he named this country or group of islands as Las Islas Filipinas in honor of King Philip II. And according to Dr. Jose Rizal and Father Juan J. Delgado, they nicknamed the Philippines as Pearl of the Orient Seas. So here here are some illustrations of King Philip II, Ferdinand Magellan, and Roy Lopez de Villalobos. So it is stated here, where does the name the Philippines come from? And we will later find out more about this question. So according to earliest record in history of the Philippines, guys, that the first inhabitants of the Philippines were Daitas, or Atis, or Negritos. And the first ever ruler of the Philippines. So let's see first this first inhabitants. These are the Itas or Negritos. When the Spaniards came here, they found out, especially the Negros Island and the Panay Island, they found out that these islands were inhabited by little black people or Itas. And when they came to Negros, they saw little black people, which they call as Negritos, because unlike people from Africa who are much bigger, these people are little and with curly hairs, black complexion too, like the Africans. But the Africans are much taller and bigger. And here's the most ancient recorded in the history of the Philippines, guys. The first rulers of Philippines of the Itas around the Philippines from the island of Panay. This is the statue of Dato Maricudo in Kalinog. And his father, Dato Pulpulan, was the first ever recorded or the earliest ruler of the Philippines in the island of Panay. Ruler of Itas, the first ever recorded in the whole Philippines from Panay Island. So guys, Dato Pulpulan and his son, they ruled Panay Island even before 1212 AD. And on 1212 AD, the 10 datos from Borneo arrived. So this is the monument of 10 datos of Borneo in Antique, including Dato Puti. And they first arrived in Siwaragan River in San Joaquin. And there in Imbidayan Rock, there occurred the famous barter of Panay, where Dato Maricudo and exchanged or bartered the whole island of Panay in exchange of golden necklace and golden salakot or hat. And after these events, the Malays colonized the Philippines, and Philippines began to have a lot of dialects, more than 170 dialects and different minorities and languages. While according to some historians, guys, that they are claiming that the Philippines is the ancient land of Ophir, a descendant of Shem and one of the sons of Joktan. And they believe that Ophir, that this is the land of gold that is stated in the Bible, the land of Ophir, from which also King Solomon acquired some of his golds, the land of Ophir. So they believe that the land of the islands of the Philippines is the land of Ophir. But there are also contradictions, because some historians believe that Ophir is somewhere in Middle East. But according to the Colección General de Documentos Relativos a las Islas Filipinas, according to Spaniards, that Philippines is described as the land of Ophir. So as you can see here, guys, the Philippines is composed of different minorities, and according to historians, the first inhabitants here were the Itas. But also different islands of the Philippines, composed of different minorities. And later, Filipinos became mestizos and mestizas because they intermarried with different nationalities from all over the world. And because you know, Philippines was colonized by Spaniards, and also Portuguese came here and they battled against the Spaniards, and also the Japanese also came here, and Americans and Chinese traders also, they began to intermarriage with some Filipinos. That is why Filipinos is composed of different nationalities present time, because of intermarriages to different nations of the world. So here are some of the locals here today. And here are some examples of the little black people from the Philippines, the first inhabitants, the Negritos or Negritas or Itas. Here are another more examples of mestizos, mulatto or mulata. This is something like a breed between a white and a black ethnicity. When white race intermarry black ethnicity, a mulatto is produced. And here are some examples of mestizos and mestizas. And here are some examples of Filipino-Chinese. Filipinos who intermarried with Chinese people or traders or merchants. And you know, guys, Philippines is one of the countries that also produce a lot of beauty queens. You know, because Philippines is composed of different nationalities that had intermarried long ago until present time. Now, guys, let's go back to our topic, why the Philippines starts with PH and Filipinos starts with F. So if we would recall, some historians believe that Philippines is the land of Ophir, which is the land of gold, and other historians like Ptolemy in his ancient map, he described Philippines as Manolas, or maybe this is the capital of the Philippines, present time Manila, according to ancient map of Ptolemy. Then Nilad, from a kind of mangrove plant that the historians believe to be the from which the name Maynila or Manila was derived. Manila is maybe the English name of Maynila. And as we have discussed earlier, Magellan came here 1521 and named the islands of the Philippines as Islas de San Lorenzo Lazaro, or in English, Archipelago of Saint Lazarus. And later, around 1542 or 1543, Roy Lopez de Villalobos named the Philippines as Las Islas Filipinas, or in honor of King Philip of Spain, or Felipe de Segundo in Spanish. But you know, 40 years after Magellan arrived here in the Philippines, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi also arrived in the Philippines 40 years after Magellan's death. And during the time of the Americans, when Commodore George Dewey defeated the Spanish armadas or fleets in 1898, the Americans colonized the Philippines from 1898 to 1912, and they renamed the Philippines from Las Islas Filipinas to Islands of the Philippines. Later, it was called Philippine Islands, and later called Philippines. So, Philippines, guys, is actually the American name of Las Islas Filipinas, or Philip, in honor of King Philip. So the Philippines was renamed Philippines by Americans. So as you would notice, Philippines starts with PH, and PH, sounds F, as in the name of King Philip, right? Sounds F, because the original name of King Philip in Spanish starts with F. His name was Felipe de Segundo, or King Philip of Spain, or King Philip II. So because the Philippines starts with PH, which sounds as F, as in the name of King Philip, because the original name was Felipe de Segundo, which starts as F, and the English name of Philip is PH, sounds as F. So that is why the people are called Filipinos, because PH of the Philippines sounds F, just like in the name of King Philip or Felipe sounds as F. That is why people are called Filipinos. So guys, hope you learned a lot from this blog, why the Philippines was named Philippines and starts with PH, and the people are called Filipinos, because the PH of the Philippines sounds F, as in the name of King Philip. But according to some blogger in Google, they claim that the PH in Spanish doesn't sound F. But if you would try pronouncing the name of King Philip, King Philip really sounds F, right? Philip and Philippines sounds like F, as in Felipe, F. So that is why the people are called Filipinos. So guys, if you learned a lot from this blog, hope that you enjoy this blog, and this is our blog as of today, and hope you enjoy this blog and learn more from this. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and hope you enjoy this discussion, and see you on our next video, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and love you all, guys, and see you to our next vlog.